Hello and welcome to Jacqueline Bonsai. In today's video, this handmade bonsai pot will meet an unusual species for bonsai. You will see how Jack repots and prunes this Elaeagnus Bonsai tree. Let's get started. 2 weeks ago, I made this bonsai pot on a potter's wheel. Jack will take over and line up some trees that are due for a repotting. This side of the garden has a large collection of shohin bonsai trees. Several are showing signs they are ready for maintenance. We discussed those symptoms in our previous video for our rock-clasping Chinese elm. The leaf color on this Elaeagnus matches the running glaze on this pot. This Elaeagnus, also known as a silverberry tree, is 10 years old. It has an unusual feature under its leaves, a shiny silver color. When met with sunlight and wind, they appear to sparkle from a distance. Jack begins by removing the weeds and moss covering the top layer of soil before removing it from its pot. While Jack is working, it's the perfect time for you to hit the subscribe and bell notification button. It will help support our channel. There is not much soil left because of acidity. Jack will remove what soil is left using a chopstick. A root rake could also be used.
All the root inside. See that?
Wow.
它本来种在这里，你看，本来在这边，它的根呢。
Swallowed up by the roots is an old piece of mesh. How did that happen?
See? Oh.
The roots are the perfect thickness for cuttings to make new trees.
See that?
It's also possible to graft them.
We can use the root. 来用切的 not cutting is for the graphing. Yeah， 就是打这个结子上面，结上以后又变成一个 twist 的漂亮的，这个也可以啊，这个可以接，这个但是现在不管，现在不要上这个课现在把这个根呢 clean the root the old soil， 然后这个铝线拿掉不要用金属的，用这个竹子的最好。你看它里面的土，你看。 都已经酸了嘛，那这些草呢也跟它抢营养，草给它拔掉。
It's a good idea to prune the tree before repotting. Otherwise, we will be picking up leaves and branches out of the new soil. What's the Chinese name?
银梧。 银色的，你可以 you can find in Google this English name. This is a medicine. Chinese can use this leaf, and on the mountain, 那个还会那个风一吹啊，它的叶子背面会发亮，所以那个山呢看起来白色的，它会亮，有风的时候 shiny.
When the wind blows, all the leaf backside will show. It looks like the mountain is shining.
Because the backside is silver color. 银色的啊。
Now it's time to determine the position. The best looking part of the pot can be the front. A round bonsai pot with 3 feet can have the front of the tree directly above one of the feet. This can make it more stable. Now that the position is decided, it's time to prepare the bonsai pot. Mesh covers the drainage hole to prevent leaks. This wire will have 2 arms to hold the bonsai tree in place. Because the drainage hole and wire holes are close together, a second wire is not needed. A layer of macadamia soil at the bottom leaves plenty of space for the roots to grow into. A different technique can be used when the wire gauge is this thick. Simply wrap each arm around a root. The weight of the pot isn't heavy enough to loosen the wire. Twisting the wire under the pot can prevent the tree from wobbling. Before adding smaller macadamia soil to fill the gaps, a chopstick is used to push the soil between the roots. This ensures all of the roots have contact with the soil.
Best is put moss on. Keep wet is better.
This Elaeagnus bonsai tree in a handmade ceramic bonsai pot will be auctioned this year. So make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for updates. If you have learned something from this video, you can show your gratitude by hitting the subscribe button. It will really help our channel. Thanks for watching.